Hey gals, so I wanted to make this video to show you how to make your courses go live in Brightspace. At least I think I know what I'm doing now. I've been trying to figure it out for a while. And I even put in a request from IT, and anyway, I got nowhere with that, but I think I figured it out. So just bear with me. This is something that we all have to do to make our courses live. If you need help with it, we can do that in person, but I can't access your courses. So they're only, oh, there's Tanya. They are only accessible to you. So I want you to recognize something first of all. So see here, it says sand. There's a bunch of them that say sand. Anyways, those aren't live courses. Those are course shells. And apparently that's where you just build your course, and they will always be there. So we can save these, I'm assuming forever. I don't really know. Who knows? That might change. But anyway, from what I've watched in the videos and read and everything, those can stay there, and it's just you can add stuff to it and it'll be there. It won't go away kind of thing. But you have to make your courses go live. And Ardell, you might know a little bit about this already, but I'm going to go over it again anyway. So you have to click in the course so that you're in this screen. And you go to More, and you go to Edit Course. And then you have to go to Import, Export, Copy Components. Then, once you click on that, you have to go to Search for Offering. And you have to search for your course. So I'm going to type in Arts 1076, search. So there's going to be a few that come up. The one that I would want to copy is this one. And then you would go to Add Selected. And then you would go to Copy All Components. And I think that's basically it. I don't want to go through it again. I guess it doesn't matter. Okay, yeah, no, I'm not going to copy it again because I just did, and I don't know, I might mess something up if I keep copying it because I must have done it a million times. Anyway, yeah, once you do that though, it should be all good. But the thing is, this whole sandbox that I'm in, that's where I copied the course from, that's not my course. This isn't the live course. This is still the sandbox. So what you have to do, because once you have that all copied, you have to, if you scroll down, this one right here has no sand in it. This is a live course shell. So when I go in here, and I go to my class list, the students are enrolled, but in the sandbox they weren't, because this one's the live course shell. So, just wanted to show you guys that. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm going to be picking up Ben soon, but I'm probably going to try to work a little bit this evening because so much has come up and I'm just trying to get things done. I didn't get in touch with well, I got in touch with two of the students. I was talking to one of them and their account doesn't work. So, and I don't know if it's just this student, but some of the other ones do work because I tested them out. Anyway, it's been a day, I'll tell you. But if you guys are feeling overwhelmed, just know that I'm feeling it too. It's been a day, but we're in it together. We'll get there. You know, as long as we have a few things done for orientation week, that's the main concern right now. And that my biggest goal right now is just to get everybody logged into their accounts. So hopefully that will be my day tomorrow and that I'll get some of them online. All right, so I'll be in touch and hope you have a great evening.